Come back, I'll be showing you how to make a hair mask using 2 wonderful ingredients, so stay tuned and find out how I make this. So to make this hair mask, I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed. So I'm going to add it into a jar, add water and allow it to soak overnight. Seed contains some important nutrients to help to moisturize your scalp and also revive damaged hair. So I'm going to be making use of fresh amla. Feel free to use powdered amla. So I'm going to cut it and remove the seeds for easy blending. Amla is so good for this hair mask because it will help to soften the hair and stimulate hair growth because it is high in iron and beta-carotene. So I'm going to be adding the amla into the blender. I'll also be making use of the soaked fenugreek seed. So I'm going to be making use of the fenugreek seed and also the fenugreek tea. So I'll pour it into the blender. Adding ginger. Ginger contains some minerals and vitamins. It will help to improve circulation to the scalp. Then I'm going to cover the blender and blend until smooth. So when I'm done blending, I will use the chiffon cloth to sieve to get the fenugreek gel. I'll be squeezing as hard as I can to get all the fenugreek gel. So when I'm done squeezing, this is the residue that I got. So to make this hair mask, I'll be making use of oil. I already have my homemade oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. And I'll also be making use of castor seed oil. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of my homemade oil. Add 1 tablespoon of Jamican castor seed oil. Then I will stir to mix properly. For this amla and fenugreek hair mask, mix it into your hair conditioner. Also decide to use it as a hair mask. So I'm going to add it into a bowl. I'll be applying this on my hair. I hope you can see how creamy the hair mask looks. So I'm going to be applying this on a clean washed hair and make sure that it touches the root of my hair. Then I'll massage the hair properly. When I'm done applying it to my hair, I'll cover my hair with shower cap to generate heat. This hair mask contains some important vitamins like iron and beta-carotene. It will help to soften the hair, strengthen the hair root, and also help to darken your hair because of the amla. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.